Want wide and strong shoulders? Do this for 10 minutes 30 days. Welcome back. Our first shoulder exercise is the dumbbell seated alternate front raised shoulders. Keep your core tight and press the weights up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to dumbbell side lying one hand raise _ shoulders. Control the movement and focus on your side delts. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Next up is the dumbbell Arnold press to _ shoulders. Keep your arms straight and lift to shoulder height. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do dumbbell incline one arm lateral raise _ shoulders. Squeeze your shoulder blades together to target the rear delts. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5 is the dumbbell incline raise _ shoulders. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Exercise 6. Next is dumbbell rear lateral raise shoulder. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and maintain a flat back. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 7. Moving to the dumbbell seated alternate press _ shoulders. Hold the weight close to your chest and go deep for better glute engagement. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 8. Now for dumbbell seated lateral raise shoulder. Push through your toes and hold the contraction for a second at the top. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Exercise 9. Finally, we have the dumbbell standing alternate overhead press _ shoulder. Finish strong with 3 sets to failure. Thanks for watching.